Okay, folks. Thanks for tuning in again. That camera looks a little dirty. Hang on. Okay, that's a little better. As you can hear behind me, although you can't, well, you can kind of see. Very poorly. This is the third day we've been picking on this field. We call it Wolfie's Corner. Dad's going to finish it up here tonight. I'm out here with the Gas 4030, running this wagon here back to the farm. Oh, come on. There we go. Had to get the seat adjusted. So yeah, if you were at Classic Green Reunion, you saw this tractor. 4030 gas, synchro range. But anyhow, I just wanted to do this real quick short video, kind of give you guys an update, how things are coming along. I picked last night, and it took a while, and it was kind of inefficient because there's a wet spot in that field, and I didn't have anybody else really around to help very much, and I didn't want to get stuck, so I just kind of did the guaranteed not to get stuck way, which was picking all one direction. I'll let you guys listen to this 303 gas motor here for a little bit. I'll shut up. But anyhow, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're about to finish up this field here, and we'll be done with it, and then we're moving on up the road. This field where we battled moisture and everything else in it, it's not yielding very good, so if it averages 80 bushel to the acre, I'll be happy. But anyhow, that's all for now. Catch you later.